Hello dear friends, esteemed colleagues, investors and partners. We continue our ongoing series of detailed videos about the progress we are making on developing the mini power plant. Last week you saw our work, yes, the current intermediate progress and results. Last week we didn't have the Tribo transformer, but now we do. We have 3D printed the case for the Tribo transformer, yes. Also we've added another supercapacitor to our system. And here you already know everything. Right here, you can see our custom-built improvised control panel setup, which is powered directly by this portable battery pack unit, and its primary function is to precisely manage and regulate the continuous rotation of the internal motor system. Here we call this the sluice operator, yes. As you remember from the previous video, here the powder is slowly poured in and then moved further along. It goes into the feeder, mixes with the air, and is supplied to the Tribo generator. The whole system is looped. Let's now turn on our Tribo electric station and make sure it's working. Open the air, Sergey Vladimirovich. I'm turning on the sluice operator. Now the process has started, the generation process has begun. We need to turn it on. Now let's turn it on. There is a slight delay. Why is there this delay? This setup is essential because the station provides electrical power in specific portions, and these portions are then smoothed out by both the Tribo transformer and the supercapacitor. There is also a specialized system set up there specifically featuring a step-down transformer and other necessary components. Generally speaking, all of this is set up and needed so that the light bulbs shine, well, without any flickering, that is, constantly. So my friends, for now the station is generating a relatively modest amount of power, 24 volts, but we are currently working on increasing this capacity. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Be sure to invite all your friends and acquaintances. Invest in our project. We have great promotions and special deals going on, so be sure to stop by and check them out, and we'll see you next time.